Articles a and the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words a and the used to point out the nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L and so on. Let's have examples. A cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. An used before a word that begins with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, such as an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and used to introduce a singular noun. Now look at the following sentences to learn articles a and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe the articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall, an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. There is an umbrella on the stall. Article the used to introduce plural nouns too, such as the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls. I hope children you all are understood the articles well, so let's do the exercise now. Dash farmer sat under dash tree to rest. He put dash basket of fruits next to him and closed his eyes. Children, here you have seen that the words like farmer, tree and baskets, these words starts with consonants. Just remember, I have told you that a is used before a word that begins with a consonant. What are consonant? The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here in the sentences we are having the same words like farmer F, tree T, basket B starts with consonant. So here we have to fill the article A. So the sentence will be a farmer sat under a tree to rest. He put a basket of fruits next to him and closed his eyes. Seeing this, a monkey slipped out of the tree. Children, why we used here the tree? Just remember the rule. As I have already told you, article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. That is about a particular thing. So just look at the earlier sentences. We have already talked about tree. Yes, a tree. So that's why next time when the tree is coming again in the sentence, we should use the article the here. Okay. In the same way, the next sentence, the monkey stole a banana. Okay. Why the monkey? Because we have already talked about a monkey earlier in the sentences. So the monkey stole a banana. Banana starts with B. So here we should put a. Now the next, dash apple and dash orange from dash basket. So here children, just remember an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. So here the names of two fruits, apple and orange, starts with vowel A or O. So we should add here an apple and an orange from the basket. Why basket with the? Because we have already talked about basket earlier in the sentences. Now just move on the next one. Just then dash farmer opened dash eye. Just then the farmer opened an eye. Why an eye? Because I starts with E vowel. Okay, so that's why here an is correct one. He saw the monkey taking the fruits up to the tree. Give me back my fruits, roared the farmer. Okay children, so I think you have done this exercise well in your textbook. Just try to write down the same exercise in your English notebook. Okay.